Today I'm at Soos Creek Botanical Gardens. I didn't know about this place before, but we're going to see what kind of rare and exotic plants they have here. Join me on Adventures for Big A. It's a cool looking totem pole. It's on the corner of the parking lot. And then those are the areas that they have a lot of sales for different plants you can buy. As you can see, they have some really beautiful plants here. This is called the Rain Garden. This is a map and information center. They have a lot of things, a lot of territory here. They close in an hour, so I gotta hurry up and try and cover it all. This is their Garden and History Center. They're closed right now, so I can't really go in there. It's a quaint little place. Now, not all of these things are native to Washington State. The person who created all of this wanted a Japanese-style garden that people could walk through and discover various forms of plants and trees, things like that. It's really beautiful here. Yeah, there's a little place. It looks like has some things for sale up there. Really beautiful grounds. Nice exotic little pond here. You can hear the frogs creaking. Got all the lily pads out there, and I'm sure they enjoy this rain. And they have little signs that tell you what everything is. Very informative. That almost looks like a big bonsai tree. Got a nice little bench here. Of course, it's wet. I don't know how many people are going to be sitting on it. Looks like it's maybe a dedication. Looks like an Eagle Scout project created this little, not sure what you call it, some kind of trellis or something. It goes through here over this beautiful lawn here. You can see it goes way down there. It goes all the way up there. And this is a nice little green grassy place that they have set up here. It's really kind of idyllic looking. There's another part of the trail. Never seen that before. Like I said, a lot of this stuff is not native to Washington State, but obviously it comes from similar climates around the world. Now, of course, I've seen those ferns before. They're everywhere here. And let's see. I don't know if those are willow trees or what. And here's another area. This says it goes down to Soos Creek. I guess we'll find out. Another Eagle Scout project. This must have taken some time. It's like steps that go all the way down. Guess we're gonna find out where that goes. This is interesting. Got a little path they built on a log that goes over to a little bridge there. Well, they weren't lying. This comes down to Soos Creek. this might also call this a babbling brook. Wow, check out this tree. This kind of reminds me of when I was a teenager and I would explore the woods with my dogs. We'd also go along trails, but they weren't well-made trails like this. They were ones either I made with the machete or some of my friends had made out in the woods. Or I'd go out to create new trails. It's a typical rainy Washington day. Here we go. A native plant area. Now I do recall seeing these. Almost looks like a giant rose bush. This looks pretty typical what you'd find in our forest. Well, I walked all around here, and the one thing you'll notice about plants native to our area is even in spring, you don't see a whole lot of bushes in the wild that bloom. Maybe it's because we get so much rain here. You have some, but not like you see from some other places. Still, it's really beautiful in the spring. Everything is so green. People in the state of Washington don't carry umbrellas when it rains. They wear hoodies, a hat, or nothing. So this is pretty typical of what you'll see here. Not sure why that is, but just how it is. My son Nathan manages a nursery. No, not a place with a bunch of crying little babies, but a place where obviously you buy trees and plants and stuff, so maybe he'll recognize some of these things. Some really nice stuff. Whoever put this place together had a very good eye for how to make things look beautiful. This is an interesting looking tree. Pond. Thanks for joining me today. Originally, I was going to be going to Mount Rainier, but I had to have a change of plans because in order to go up there, you have to pay an admission fee of $35. And I was just going to go ahead and buy the annual pass for all national parks, which is only $85. And I visit them frequently, so I have to wait for that to come in the mail because you can't download it and print it off. So I decided to find out what we had going on locally here. And over in the city of Auburn, they have the Soos Creek Botanical Garden. And I thought that would be an interesting place to visit because I didn't even know it existed, even though I've lived in the area my entire life. And it's been around since the 1980s. The person that inherited the land from his family, it goes all the way back to the 1800s. He decided to make it like a Japanese garden. So people can come there and walk there for free, and you could buy plants. They have a shop there where you could buy things. It's a really nice place. It was very pleasant, even on a rainy afternoon. Many times I was walking beneath the trees, so the rain wasn't really that bad. But it was a pleasant journey, and I hope you enjoyed it with me. There are many places like that I plan on discovering in the area that perhaps I didn't even know about, like this one. So come with me on the future journeys on Adventures of Big A. And thanks for joining me today.